Hi everyone! Welcome back to Learn Korean Easy with 한글 남자. So, today I've got really special and useful Korean slang for you, which is most Korean use every day. And I might turn it into a kind of series because many Korean people change their way to read Hangul just for funny, for easy, and just for, kind of cute. And also, I use it a lot. So, if you want to if you want to show off your awesome Korean skills, don't miss this video. So, let's start. First thing we're gonna learn is Dangling. Can you guess what does that mean? Dangling. Ting. If you guys have any Korean SNS friend, you will definitely know it. Let me type Dangling on Instagram. And guess what it is? We have about 2.9 million posts for Dangling. That much. It's popular slang. And we have about 450,000 posts for Dangling, which is the combination words of Dangling plus Instagram. This is the post about Dangling, right? This is really popular and trendy these days. Yes, it is a cute way to call puppy or little doggy. Originally, Bong Monkey is the way to call puppy in Korean language. But look at this word, Bong Monkey. It looks really similar with Dangling, isn't it? Bong Monkey, you know how to read it, of course, because you already have learned from my last video about how to read Korean in just 5 minutes. So the Mong, it is the combination of mium, ing, and Dang, it is the combination of digut, ing. You'll see if you move this vertical bar from mu sound to the vowels, it would be like de, right? That is why Dangling became a slang for puppy. Many Korean not only use this in their text message, but also they actually talk in the real conversation with their friend and the family. If you type this in SNS, you're gonna find a really cute puppy. The next one, Shimkung. Can you guess what does that mean? This is the party from anime Pokemon. When I see this first time, it makes me Shimkung. Shimkung literally means my heart pounds quickly. You can use this word when you got a crush on someone or when you see Dangling again. It will definitely be Shimkung for you with Dangling. Thank you for watching my video and see you next time. 안녕! Don't forget to click the like and subscribe if this video was helpful. Thank you.